Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get a notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration. You can see the wall also white color wall and all, very beautiful decoration, the bed and all very beautiful. And this also you can see very beautiful, the blue color wall and all, the blue color wall. It's also the bed, you can see the floor and all, the roof and all, very beautiful decoration, you can see very good. And this also you can see the wall, green color wall, the bed, the floor, wooden theme floor, very beautiful decor floor and all. And also you can see very beautiful decoration, pink color wall and all, pink color wall, the roof also white color, the floor very beautiful. And also you can see it is also very beautiful decoration, you can see the wall, you can see the floor, the mirrors and all, very beautiful decoration. It's looking very good. And also you can see it is also very beautiful, you can see the curtains and all, the chairs and all, very beautiful decoration. You can see chairs and the curtains, beautiful decoration, looking very good. It's also very beautiful. This also you can see it is looking very modern VIP room decoration. You can see the curtains and all, the walls and all, very beautiful decoration. And this also you can see the wall, you can see beautiful green color theme, the bed and all, beautiful decoration and all. And also you can see the bed side decoration, very beautiful decoration, looking amazing. And it's also very beautiful because the silver color bed and all, the wall and all, beautiful decoration, looking very good. The mirrors and all, very beautiful. This also you can see the wall, the side lights and all, beautiful lights, looking very beautiful. The up lights also very beautiful. This also you can see the bed, you can see the side lamps, you can see beautiful lamp and all, very amazing modern room. And also you can see the wall and all, very beautiful decoration, you can see the lamps and all. It's also very beautiful, you can see the pink color theme bed and all, and very beautiful decoration, the lights and all, very good also, looking very good. And also you can see very beautiful, you can see the beautiful bathroom, you can see very beautiful amazing bathroom, you can see looking very good. It's also very beautiful, you can see the wall, the mirror, backside lights, you can see very beautiful decoration. And the floor was wooden theme floor, very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down, press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you like this. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and good.